boys, here we are. Sunday, not Friday, not Saturday, ride day. Myself, Jean-Luc, wonderful wife, we have Andre and Deanie, and we have Jim and Suzanne, and we have Dave with us. So, looking forward to it. We're off. Woo! Lots of water on. Very deep, I think. I hope. Some rubber boots on so I can get off there in the water. Oh, old Davey's shaking. Start something. Keep going, keep going. She's off, she's off. Stop, stop. In front of my steering wheel, get my cell phone.
It won't start.
That's okay, leave it.
Okay.
It's way down. Good thing on you guys fin trails.
Well, yeah, I know.
Not unless you'd wonder.
I did. I'm soaked already.
Yeah.
Whatever in your backpack.
Did I turn it off?
Is it running?
No, no.
hydro
They
lock?
call it hydro
No.
taking it home and
Yeah.
open it
There,
up.
you got it?
Oh, there we go.
How was you coming?
Yeah, let's see. We got action going on here.
We towed that one up. We didn't
That's
have any
okay.
bottles.
Wow.
You're gonna squeal the belt a little bit.
That's something I didn't know.
A few moments later.
You said your feet are wet? My cheeky stuff? I'm so nice and dry.
Yeah, you know what? Mine's Wind River and I'm dry.
You know what? This is like 8 fans or whatever off.
So we're saying the $50 outfit is better than the $500 fin trails. That's what we're saying. We're on camera saying that fucking shit.
350
That is a lot of water.
He's still running.
Like,
You must be talking about
That's more water than came out of your pipe.
Must be talking
Mine
about
ran for a good 5 minutes too.
It must be talking about the
When I
pond.
sank
Maybe
mine,
that was in there.
I'm gonna run out of battery with my camera and my GoPro.
Oh, he's slowing down now.
Yeah, she is slowing down.
This last.
You know when you get back to the truck, if you get a right
Dealership, I think.
Who changed your oil last?
good thing we have lots of people going my way in case I might need a drive.
I feel like it's overflowing. Go ahead.
Oh yeah, she's good. Clean, nothing coming out of it. Hold on, we're coming. You alright?
We're okay.
You alright? You good?
You're funny.
1, 2, 3. Get over there, you bastard.
I didn't even see you. Keep my eye on you all day.
Okay, come back. Take there. Take. There you go. There you go. Perfect.
Shit.
This day is not going like we planned so far. Last time I was in here was for the Jim Horn Lake weekend a few weeks back. Everything was snowed and iced and the lake was frozen over. This is now, we got a couple ducks out there doing whatever ducks do. Some more machines there, a Yamaha, whatever that is, and Eric's. How you doing? alive here. That's our motto. Alright, I'm going to throw in all-wheel drive right here because we're going to be going through some mud and we got that rock palm coming up. How's it going? What can you do?
We're trying to get through for the first time.
Want to get up there?
Oh yeah, the dust is up there. We can't get through.
Yeah.
If he's up with the other road and he looks out and he goes to the left one for that, he just looks up that.
Yeah, we can up to the left. It's a long, but not this thing in the Outlander.
Yeah.
But I haven't looked there in a long time. We came in this way earlier. I was like, I was going to go up there, but I haven't looked there so long. I'm like, I don't know what's up there anymore. So.
We went that way and then we took another road.
Oh, yeah.
Oh, well, we had to use the wind's voice on the Renegade.
Yeah.
Yeah. I think that's why he carries me around, just because I'm like the rescue vehicle.
Seven all What a great day, though.
Oh my God, awesome.
Yeah.
You guys have a good day.
Here, buddy. We going this way? Gabriel. Beautiful day, boys, on the Lion King Rock, overlooking our domain. Well, there we are, boys, another ride day. Way more adventurous day than we expected, than I expected for sure. We had bike swap, we had bike rollover, we had tons of water, we had a lot of fun. There we go, another ride day. Awesome day, lots of fun, lots of adventure. See you in the next one.